Yo, what up guys, it's Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. Today we will be working on a Civic. I have something super excited planned for us today. It will be the bash bar that we created a few videos ago. I'll put the link at the end of this video and in the description. So we're going to be painting that bash bar, and we also have the tow hook that we had on the car as well. It was painted neon like pink or safety pink color, but it faded because it wasn't UV stable. So now we're gonna powder coat them, which is more UV stable, so the color should last way longer. Instead of doing a pink on the tow hook, we're gonna do neon green. As you can see, all the rust on this bash bar just makes the car look like trash. It makes it look old, it makes it look dingy, and it matches this ugly exhaust. Good thing we ordered a new exhaust for the Civic, but let's clean this rear end up first. We'll start with the bash bar. We're gonna end up painting this bash bar that we made satin black, and that's going to match all the accent colors of the car. After that, we'll go ahead and take this tow hook and we're going to paint this safety green. I already got the oven started. I've already got the air in the compressor. The only thing left is to pressure wash this bash bar and get it in the oven. So let's get started, guys. We're going to spray this LA's Totally Awesome degreaser on here. I like this stuff. It's real cheap and it works real good. There's the oven, guys. We got it preheated to 410 degrees. Go ahead and crack this thing open. And then I'm gonna turn this so it doesn't hit when we put it back in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let that heat up, get nice and hot. Then we'll start powder coating. As that's warming up in the oven, we got our flatter black, which is a matte satin black finish, and we have our neon yellow, which looks like green, and we also have our clear coat, which is right here, called Clear Vision. So we're gonna go ahead and take some of this and pour it in our cup. So we're up to 400 degrees now. We're gonna pull it out. Nice and hot. So we take this right here and we stick that inside of there. It's our negative ground right here. KV is on at about 70. Gun's ready, air's on, going hot. Here we go. Just like that, guys. This is called a hot coat. Some people do it cold. I like to do it hot. And you can see it already. We're gonna get this nice and even. So this isn't a gloss, this is a matte satin. Okay, so we got about 2 coats on there, maybe 3. Because on a hot coat, you're baking as you're laying it down. On this color, I like to let it sit for about 30 minutes, so we'll check in on it in a bit. Just got done degreasing the tow hook. So we're gonna do a hot coat on that as well. We'll place that in now. Check on that in about 10 or so minutes. While the other part's heating up, let's look at this satin. Look how beautiful this thing is. Oh my God, look at that. You see that sheen? That's what I'm talking about right there. That thing looks Nice. I have no place to store this, so we're just gonna go ahead and toss it on the car right now. Oh, it's still hot. It's burning my skin, guys. Oh my God, I need a cameraman.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Glove up, baby. Always use protection. Almost there, home stretch. This is live for you guys right here, baby. Live right here, baby. There we go. Alright boys, so here is the safety green, and I assure you it's not that yellow. It's more of a green tone, but this camera just won't pick it up, so I'll post a picture from the iPhone. So I'm fresh out the shower. All that powder coat was all over me. I was looking a bit crazy, but let's take a look and see what we got done. Look at this color combo. Oh, this is so hard. I love it. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap this up. I'm super tired. I hope you guys like the new color scheme in the car, because the roll cage is gonna get painted that color. I don't know if it's the right color yet. We'll see after we paint it. Hey, if it's the wrong color, we'll change the color, because that's what we do. We build, break, destroy. This is Delwin with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media, signing out. Peace.